Over 1.5 billion vehicles thunder along the world's roads. And another 60 million join them every year. Inside each one beats a silent yet decisive force. Precision engineered, unwaveringly stable, trusted everywhere. With more than 90% of the global aftermarket in its grasp. That force comes from Taiwan. Spanning both metal and plastic components, and covering powertrain and structural parts. Taiwan's industry offers dual flexibility, small batch variety and high volume stability. From casting complex metal structures and multi-axis synchronized machining, to fully automated injection molding and integrated tooling processes. The industry has comprehensively adopted the International Quality Management System, establishing a complete, stable, and efficient supply chain ecosystem. Technological innovation is the driving force behind our progress. Precision investment casting combined with vacuum casting systems meets the industry's demands for diversity. CNC machining integrated with automation and digital management achieves both efficiency and flexibility. In-house mold design pushes the boundaries of plastic forming, achieving both lightweight and high strength. Resilience and innovation, these are our greatest competitive advantages. Amid the global push for net zero emissions and the shift toward electric vehicles, Taiwanese companies are actively advancing their strategies, adopting recycled steel, and developing lightweight structures and low-carbon materials. Implementing energy-efficient processes, they are delivering critical solutions for the next generation of electric vehicles. Precision components power the heart of vehicles around the world. What we drive is not just transportation. It's the future of global mobility. Taiwan.